Okay, so this is my buddy Jesse's Silverado. He took this thing over to the dealer. Should I name them? I'm gonna just call them fucking out on it. Took it over to Quinta Chevrolet, and he had a very small leak in his expansion tank. They quoted parts and labor $588. $42.99. Dorman, lifetime warranty, better quality than GM. It's 2 bolts down yonder way, 3 hose clamps, literally 5 minutes of work, and maybe a half gallon of coolant. If he's out of here for $100, I'm gonna be surprised. Quit fucking people. All right, so I might have seemed a little harsh in the previous clip, but you know what? The more I think about it, the more angry this makes me. Looked up everything. I took some notes right here in my hand. I'll show you my notes in a little bit here. List price from GM for that expansion tank is $70.91. So if you're charging list or double list, which is the norm with shops and dealers and everybody else, because, you know, got to screw everybody. You know, double list on that's $141.82. Gallon of coolant, $34.99. You know, that's how dealer would charge, which is way out of line. Diag, I'd bill an hour probably. Well, I wouldn't bill an hour, but that's what your book time would say. And then I looked up the book time on changing the expansion tank, and it books 1.4. It's 5 minutes of work. I understand that you're in the business to make money, but at the same time, you don't need to be robbing people on very simple things. Now, that expansion tank, is like a 2-year warranty from GM, whereas the Dorman one's lifetime. And his truck's got 150K on it already, and it's a 2016. So, you know, it's not going to be around much longer, at least in his possession. Come on. $588 for 5 minutes of work on a $50 part, maybe. Come on. Just getting tired of seeing this everywhere.